Stop moaning, Matthew.
Oh, you need to sit down.
No, back, you pussy.
Well, watch the camera. Watch the.
Cut all the cameras. You don't have a lot there, dude.
Welcome to Band in My Basement, the only show where the fourth time's the charm. I'm here with Colorado Sweethearts.
The Beeves.
Could y'all introduce yourself real quick, please?
My name's Ian.
My name is Will.
And I'm Matthew.
How y'all doing today?
Just dandy.
I was gonna say that same thing.
Dandy?
Just dandy.
It's a dandy.
On the same wavelength. I like it. So, why y'all called the Beeves?
Well, we were flipping through the old Holy Bible one day, and we just happened to put our finger on a word, and then we became the Beeves.
Okay. How's your New Year's resolutions holding up?
I don't know if I had any.
I don't know if I had any either.
I don't know if I had any.
It's okay to make one up.
I stopped eating chocolate.
I told myself I was gonna wear pants every day, and
Here we are.
here I am.
Disappointing.
I was going to start a vegetable garden.
Oh,
I didn't do it.
enticing. We were going to do something real quick where we were going to have you draw a picture of Will.
Oh, good.
We're going to start it with, we got 30 seconds on the clock here. We'll wait
yeah,
till I
just-
say go.
Right? Are there two?
1, 2, 3.
What are you doing? Go.
Drawing the hat.
Oh, no.
Nose? Oops. Whoa, that's
That's
cool.
a good nose.
A little happy,
He's
but a
sad
little sad.
and happy.
He's like, I don't know what to do.
Flames in his eyes.
Oh, hair.
And a little bit of ear.
And we're good.
Bloop, bloop.
I'll have to take off points for that little over the time screen there, but that's okay. Show him the original.
This is Matthew and I drawing him.
Here's our good fellow Ian over here.
AKA ball sack.
Absolutely no difference. It's uncanny.
Just want to know real quick, what are y'all going to be doing? What's the new looks for your spring fashion here coming up?
Cowboy shirts.
And
all the way.
turtlenecks.
Turtlenecks.
Cowboy shirts and
In spring.
turtlenecks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's
Bolo
fashion.
ties.
Bold move.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can I have one of these cough drops? by
Yeah,
chance?
go ahead, man. Take one. We're not sponsored by Halls, but they're pretty good.
But actually, it's kind of difficult. Sorry, I spilled out all your cough drops. It was just in the moment.
Just leave them.
Okay.
It's fine. So, you got a new album coming out.
That we do.
When's that going to be, and when's the release?
May 17th at the Fox Theater in Boulder.
With Nate Cook of the Yoppers, and we've got Augustus, and we've got Meeting House.
And we've got us.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I would have forgotten about that. I have one final request. Could one of you guys feed me a cough drop real quick?
Ooh,
I
just
feel
do
a
it
little,
together.
a little sore in the throat.
Here, pull, Ian. Catch. Oh, God.
Not that one.
It's a little dirty.
That one.
This is the one we want.
Okay.
You gotta eat it. Eat it. Chew. There you go. Good birdie.
All right. Well, thank you for coming by. We got a special little treat for you. This is a special trophy from me to you. Thank you for your time at Band in My
thanks.
I'm
Basement.
so surprised.
Oh, world's
Was not
greatest
expecting
wife
it.
and leading lady.
Okay.
Wow.
All right,
is a
that's
real
it.
honor.
You can leave my basement now.